coming after me.
Woo! 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 Ah! Come on, man. I've been working all day. Come on. It's in my pocket. Come on. God damn it. It's serious now, huh? That girl understood, man. Whoa. She fell in love with me, man. Eye contact, man. Huh. Wait. Ah! Go up there and castrate that fucker. I'll take the blame, man.
Why don't you just leave that weird fucker alone, man? Come on.
Have you made a deal with them? Did you put up to this? Huh? Huh?
Alright, look. You better put that goddamn blade away, man. Get your fucking head straight. I'm gonna go get the cars, huh? One of the things you learn after years of dealing with drug people is that you can turn your back on a person, but never turn your back on the drugged. Especially if they're waving a razor-sharp hunting knife in your eye.